Hey everyone, hope you are all doing healthy and great. So let us add something more to your greatness. So here we are back with another video. So let's start and keep flying. Our very first word is rejig, R-E-J-I-G, which means to change and improve the arrangement of something, to arrange it to look better or systematic. अर्थात किसी चीज़ में कुछ बदलाव करके उसको और बेहतरीन बनाना. The synonyms are rearrange, alter, manipulate. The sentence formation would be the very first sentence. However, in view of the experience of the past 4 months, it was necessary to rejig the plans. अर्थात पिछले 4 महीने के अनुभव से ये ज़रूरी हो गया था कि योजनाओं में कुछ बदलाव लाकर उनमें कुछ सुधार लाया जाए. The next sentence is that was a remarkable attempt to rejig the pledge. अर्थात प्लेज को सुधारने के लिए वो एक बहुत अच्छा कदम लिया गया. Our next word is inhibit, I-N-H-I-B-I-T, which means to prevent something or make something happen very slowly. It also means to make somebody nervous and embarrassed so that he or she is unable to do something. अर्थात किसी के काम करने में कोई रुकावट पैदा करनी. The synonyms are obstruct, hinder, stop, prevent. The sentence formation would be the very first sentence. Doctor gave him a drug to prevent the growth of tumor. अर्थात ट्यूमर को बढ़ने से रोकने के लिए डॉक्टर ने उसे कुछ दवाइयाँ दी. The next sentence is the fact that her boss was standing inhibited her from saying what she really felt. अर्थात क्योंकि उसका बॉस वहीं पर खड़ा था इस वजह से वो अपने दिल की बात ना कह सकी. Our next word is alleviate, A-L-L-E-V-I-A-T-E, which means to make something less strong or bad or to make easier to endure or lessen or mitigate sorrow. अर्थात किसी चीज़ के प्रभाव को कम करना. The synonyms are reduce, ease, relief. The sentence formation would be the very first sentence. He took a painkiller to alleviate the pain. अर्थात उसने अपना दर्द कम करने के लिए एक दवाई ली. The next sentence is if you want to elevate the situation, start by apologizing for your mistake. अर्थात अगर तुम्हें इस समस्या के दर्द को कम करना है तो अपनी गलतियों के लिए माफ़ी मांगने से शुरू करो. Our next word is bigoted, which means a person who is obstinately or intolerantly devoted to his or her own opinion and prejudices especially. अर्थात किसी आदमी में किसी चीज़ को लेके बहुत कट्टरवाद होना. The synonyms are prejudiced, biased, one-sided. The sentence formation would be he was not a bigot but he was not fair to all the people. अर्थात वो अपनी सोच को लेके कट्टर नहीं था पर वो सब लोगों के प्रति निष्पक्ष भी नहीं था. The next sentence is the person who stands proclaiming to know the truth is often called a bigot. अर्थात जो आदमी कहता है कि मुझे सारा सत्य पता है, मुझे ही सारा ज्ञान है, उसे हम कट्टरवाद कहते हैं क्योंकि वो किसी और की कोई बात या सत्य सुनने की क्षमता नहीं रखता. That's all for now. Hope you are enjoying the videos. Even if you are not enjoying the videos, just share, subscribe, like and comment to your own YouTube channel, The English Wings. Thank you.